Hey, I just want to real quick show what worked for me in order to get my assignments in Canvas to sync with Skyward. And it's a couple steps, but this is again just what worked for me yesterday and today. First thing I did was go into the Assignments tab for each individual course that I have in Canvas. So within the Assignments tab, I made sure that I had groups. So I made assignment groups and gave them very specific names like assessment. And those group names need to identically match the names of different grading categories on Skyward. Like letter for letter, space for space, syntax has to be perfect. So if I have a category in Skyward called assessment, I need to type in assessment perfectly as a group for an assignment on Canvas. And then if I want to get a specific assignment to sync, let's say what makes good code good here, let's look at this assignment. I have it within the assessment group, and actually as I'm making a new assignment, I can also pick which assignment group it's going into. So I put it in assessment. And then I also need to make sure that I click Sync to SIS. Include this assignment in grades when syncing to your school's student information system. So if I want it to sync, I have to do that. So I'll click that. And then now, and down behind my face here, I hit Save. So now it's saved. The next step is to go into Skyward and set up your grading categories. For security reasons, I've moved away from, I've cropped this up, so I just crop student names. But where I'm at is in the gradebook for one of my classes. And I need to go into the gradebook for each of my individual classes, not my sections. So I need to go period by period into every single gradebook. At least this is what I had to do. Go to categories. And then I need to go to Add Edit Categories. And I just want to go back out here and open the screen up so you can see those different categories. Add Edit Categories, and now I'm going to select which categories I want to use in my class. So for this example, I'm just going to that assessment one, so I would unselect all. Maybe the only thing I want to use is assessment. Click it, hit save, should be good. So now I've selected my categories, and the real key is whatever categories I have here, whatever I select, I need to have assignment groups or assignments put into groups that have exact syntax matches with these different these category descriptions right here. So now here's how we sync. We're going to go hit the Grades button for the Canvas course. So Foundations of Technology, now I'm going to go hit Grades. And again, for security reasons, student confidentiality reasons, I had to crop the screen here. But what I will do is go to Actions. So when I click Actions, my computer will cooperate. Hit Sync to SIS. Now when I hit Sync to SIS, what I'm going to do is select assignments, and the interface looks a little bit different this year. But what it's going to do is automatically have assignments selected that meet two criteria. A, the assignment has a due date and a point value. And B, if in the assignment editing portion, I've clicked Sync to SIS, which is what I showed when we were looking at how to edit an assignment just a second ago. Those are automatically selected. If you don't want to sync one of those assignments for whatever reason right now, you can deselect the assignment. But you notice like down here, this intro video May 4 to May 8 doesn't have a due date assigned to it, and so it can't be synced to Skyward. You have to have due dates for the assignment in order to sync them to Skyward. And now I'm going to hit Post Grades. And it does look a little bit different now. It says it's scheduled, and I can follow this link here and click it to see the progress of the scheduling. For me, it took an hour or so. To tell you the truth, I ran the sync and then didn't check it again till this morning, and everything was synced up. So that's how it worked